Hello, I'm Kathleen Lewis, President of the Holy Spirit Parish Council. The most important thing to our parish council, our pastor, priest, and deacon, is the continued safety and good health of our parishioners. As many of you may have heard, Idaho Governor Brad Little recently moved the state back to Stage 3 status in its response to the current COVID-19 pandemic and the rise in infections and hospitalizations around the state. Many parishioners have asked how this affects our parish, and I'd like to address that now. Let me begin by saying that Holy Spirit Catholic community has responded to the virus with responsibility, compassion, and common sense. We instituted the safety protocols required under Stage 3 status 6 months ago. And as a result, we are not aware of any cases of people contracting the virus from Holy Spirit activities. Like most large communities, we have had some parishioners and teachers at our school who were infected elsewhere, but because of health and safety rules, they quarantined appropriately and did not spread the virus at any Holy Spirit facility. That's one of the ways we know our health and safety requirements are working. On behalf of our pastor, Father Henry, and Father Swy, and Deacon Scott, and all the other parish staff and parishioners, I want to say a heartfelt thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
We simply could not have gotten through this time safely thus far without your help and care. But now I'm going to ask you to continue to keep up your guard. We are all frankly worn out by the virus, all that it has taken from our normal lives and all that it requires of us in the way of awareness and vigilance. The health experts are calling it COVID fatigue. We cannot allow COVID fatigue to deter us from continuing to look out for the health of our families, our fellow parishioners, the parish staff, and ourselves. So we are reminding you to continue to follow these requirements. Stay home if you don't feel well or have COVID symptoms. Wear a face covering while you are with us. Your masks should cover your mouth and nose and should be worn at all times when you are with us. When you arrive at Mass or other parish events, be prepared to answer brief health questions. Before entering our public spaces, sanitize your hands. We provide hand sanitizing stations at every entrance and exit. Please wait for ushers to seat you before Mass and wait for them to help you depart according to physical distancing requirements. These parish requirements are based on the rules and recommendations of the state and county health departments and represent the best thinking of health experts on how to keep our people safe. So far, they've worked for Holy Spirit, and we will continue to follow these requirements. To summarize, nothing has changed at Holy Spirit following the state shift to Stage 3. We have been successful in keeping our people safe by employing the Stage 3 protocols for the past 6 months and will continue these proven practices. Your continued cooperation with these requirements is vital to the success of our parish health and safety plan and is deeply appreciated. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, Father Henry, or Deacon Scott. Our contact information is available on the Holy Spirit website and the weekly bulletin. Thank you, and God bless.